This is a short story and a reference video that can be used as a checklist for promoting mobile apps. Mobile App Promotion Map Framework is a guideline which defines the product promotion steps, ideation, design, marketing and growth, with trending tools and resources that will take more than 80 hours for you to collect and discover. Digital marketing of mobile apps requires vertical and deep expertise. Marketing a mobile app involves defining a target audience, learning how to reach them and interacting with your users through their entire life cycle, from when they meet your app, to when they become a loyal user. Although mobile marketing starts with the introduction of your application, more strategies are required for App Store optimization, ASO, and the sale of services and products within the application. And growth hacking methods need to be considered for engagement and retention. You may prefer hiring an agency for promoting your app, but how you measure the quality of work? Instead, we suggest you to try it yourself first, then ask for professional assistance. Ideation, design, marketing and growth phases are the most critical pillars of mobile app life cycle. With Map Framework, you will get a top-down approach and be able to create your strategy for your mobile apps. We will focus on 30-plus subtopic with proven tools and techniques within Map Framework. This video will also let you to look at the mobile app life cycle from a higher perspective. Why seeing from a higher perspective is essential. When you look at the big picture, it can cause a shift in perspective, change your judgment, focus and activity. Getting a big picture perspective tends to reinforce the things that are important and refocus your attention on what you determine to be true priorities. No problem can be solved from the same level of consciousness that created it. Albert Einstein. Development is not a concern of Map Framework. Instead, we are focusing on ideation, design, marketing, and growth phases. Now I would like to introduce Mrs. Sarah to give the details.
Thanks, Alice. Glad to be here. I will try to explain the first two phases, ideation and design. So let's begin. The first and most critical phase of app promotion is ideation. Our first topic, ideas. How do you get an idea? Check and follow various channels to get inspired, find a new idea. Also, you can verify your existing ideas by hearing other people's experiences. We first try to get an idea that is worth researching. Here is a list of channels you may try. Top YouTube channels lists. Top apps lists. TED Talks. Podcasts for entrepreneurs. Best YouTube channels for entrepreneurs. Indie hackers, Reddit. Now, next topic, research. You should always remain self-critical about the validity of your ideas. Try to make deep research from different perspectives before starting development. You need to work on target audience analysis, competitor analysis, proof of value proposition, app market analysis, competitors' reviews. Topic 3, Design Thinking. Design thinking is a human-centered approach used to develop products, services and processes, understand customer needs, create rapid prototypes and generate creative ideas. With design thinking, you can minimize the uncertainty and risk of innovation by including your customers and users in the development process through prototypes. Design thinkers rely not only on general data or market research, but on customer insights from real-world experiments, tests, and projects. Design thinking is an iterative process used in conjunction with Agile methodology. 5 stages in design thinking process. Empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Topic 4, Mind mapping. Mind maps are hierarchical and relational diagrams used to visually organize and explain information. Your big ideas must be divided into submodules and then may be developed. Here a list of mind mapping tools. Miro.com, Mindmeister.com, App.diagrams.net, MindlyOp.com, Call.it. Topic 5, Differentiation. You need a unique value on your product. Ask the questions, how different my idea? If not, how can we make it? Both Android Play Store and Apple's App Store are listing over 2 million apps, which makes creating your audience can be highly challenging. Think about branding, pricing, market targeting, privacy and security, aggressive marketing. Topic 6, Ranking. Prioritize your ideas. Create a prioritization matrix to get best idea evaluation results. Also, you may check risk value cost effort, RVCE, prioritization matrix. Check for these 4 dimensions: required effort, required cost, risk factors value, innovation, return on investment, ROI. Topic 7, Prototyping. Mobile app prototyping validates an early concept and provides opportunities for the exploration of new ideas early on in the development process. During the prototyping phase of the design thinking process, user testing can help identify possible improvements to make before the product is complete. It's far less expensive to solve problems at the beginning of the process rather than towards the end. Here are a list of tools. And the last topic, other tools that may be useful. Google Trends, trends.google.com. Market Research and Numbers, statista.com. For students, education.guideup.com. Now, it's time to talk about design phase. We will go on topics such as illustrations, animation. First topic, resources. Designing mobile app is very different from other types of design such as posters, cartoon comics, magazine or websites. You may start with creating a user journey map. Search for mobile-first design practices, follow trends and keep it simple. Take in consideration UI/UX principles. Websites that you may find design assets to use or get inspired. Our next topic, illustration resources. You can use illustrations to enhance usability, emotional and visual appeal of the interface of your apps. Illustration saves the day when a user is frustrated with an error. And they are very useful for onboarding. Here are a list of tools. Glazestock.com. Topic 3, Icons. A list of ready-to-use icon packs. TheNownProject.com. Flaticon.com. Freepik.com. FreeDesignResources.net. Topic 4, Animations. Try this high-performance, easy-to-use animations library. Lottie.files.com. Topic 5, Photography. Picture galleries to use. Ideation, design, marketing and growth phases are the most critical pillars of mobile app lifecycle. We have seen the first 2 phases in this video. You can find the rest of map framework phases in our ebook, which contains the training tools and resources that will take more than 80 hours for you to collect and discover. Please find the link URL in description. Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. Pele. Thanks for watching.